Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So I have come to pick up my coffee from a South Korean cafe and also I am looking to grab something for my breakfast. मैं बहुत confused थी क्या pick करूँ पर चलो जो भी लिया and I absolutely love their coffee. मुझे इनकी coffee बहुत अच्छी लगती है तो मैं mostly यहीं से pick करती हूँ. And here I'm at the studio. Today I'm going to create something very exciting and interesting in resin art, and for this I have a wooden board here. It's a standing piece and I am thinking of creating ocean waves on it. So make sure you watch this video till the end, and if you like today's video then please do like and comment. Let's start. So as I said before that I'm going to create ocean waves today, and I am thinking of creating colorful water. And I don't want to use just blues, but again it's your choice. You can use color of your choice. आप blues में भी काम कर सकते हो. And here I'm using red, yellow, navy blue, sky blue. These all are acrylic paints, so you can use pigments or acrylic paints. I am adding all the colors to different cups and my resin is ready. And you can see my resin, the yellow cup on the left side, that is my resin. Resin is absolutely ready. And to prepare resin, what you have to do is you have to take half cup of resin, half cup of hardener and mix it well for at least 10 to 12 minutes. Now I'm going to pour this resin into each cup. And you know what? I love resin art. When the artwork is finished, the end result is always beautiful. पर ये जो बीच में पहले mess create होता है ना, कई बार तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा mess हो जाता है. ध्यान रखना whenever you are working with resin, and especially if you are a beginner in resin art, you need a lot of practice. You have to be very careful. Even बहुत सी चीज़ों का ध्यान रखना पड़ता है. You have to wear gloves, mask, well ventilated area होना चाहिए. Avoid skin contact, yes, and the room temperature should be perfect. आपके food drinks पास में नहीं होने चाहिए. So बहुत सी चीज़ों का ध्यान रखना पड़ता है while working with resin. Now the pouring is done and it's time to add white to create the wave effect. Now this stage truly brings the artwork to life, and this is one of the most important and exciting parts of resin art. So please watch carefully till the end. And if you are watching my video for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel. If you like today's video, then please do like and comment. Now after adding the white, I will gently spread it with the help of a heat gun. As you can see that I'm spreading all the white with the help of a heat gun. Actually the heat helps the resin to move naturally and blend with base colors. And this step is all about balance, and too much heat can overspread the resin. इसलिए आपको बहुत ही ध्यान से काम करना है with lot of patience. Actually इस part में, ये part जो है बहुत ही tricky है, तो आपको बहुत patience के साथ काम करना है. And you know what? The timing of the pour, the thickness of the resin, and the way heat is applied all play an important role. And as the resin hardens, the colors become more vibrant, the surface turns crystal clear, and the final result जो निकलता है looks very rich, polished, and full of life. And here is the final look. I absolutely love it. And if you like today's video, then please do like and comment. I will be back soon with some new content. Until then, you all take care. Bye.